Another day, another story. Entrepreneurship is the process of creating or starting a new business venture with the aim of identifying and fulfilling a need in the market. This can involve developing a new product or service, improving upon existing offerings, or identifying new business opportunities. Entrepreneurs are often characterized by their innovative thinking, risk-taking behavior, and drive to succeed. Starting a business requires a wide range of skills and knowledge, including market research, financial planning, product development, marketing, and sales. Entrepreneurs must also be able to manage their time effectively and stay organized as they navigate the many challenges and obstacles that arise during the startup phase. One of the most important steps in starting a business is conducting market research to determine the demand for the product or service being offered. This includes analyzing the target market, understanding consumer behavior and preferences, and determining the competition. This information can help entrepreneurs identify gaps in the market and develop strategies to differentiate their offerings and reach their target audience. Another critical aspect of entrepreneurship is developing a solid business plan. This should include a clear vision for the business, a mission statement, goals and objectives, a marketing plan, and a financial plan. The business plan should also outline the resources and funding needed to start and grow the business, as well as the potential risks and challenges that may arise. In addition to a business plan, entrepreneurs must also be able to secure the necessary funding to start and grow their businesses. This may involve seeking out loans, investors, or grants, or using personal savings or equity. It is important for entrepreneurs to understand the different sources of funding available and to carefully consider the terms and conditions of each option. Marketing is also a crucial component of entrepreneurship, as it helps entrepreneurs reach their target audience and build brand awareness. This may include developing a strong online presence, utilizing social media, and leveraging influencer marketing to reach potential customers. Entrepreneurs should also consider traditional marketing channels, such as print and broadcast media, as well as develop a strong email marketing strategy to engage with their audience and build customer loyalty. Entrepreneurs must also have a strong understanding of the financial side of their business. This includes creating a budget, tracking expenses, and analyzing the financial performance of the business. It is also important for entrepreneurs to understand the tax implications of starting a business and to stay up to date with changes in tax laws. In addition to these technical skills, entrepreneurship also requires a strong leadership style. Entrepreneurs must be able to motivate and inspire their team, manage risk and uncertainty, and make tough decisions in the face of challenges and obstacles. They must also be able to adapt and evolve as the business grows and changes, staying ahead of the competition by identifying new opportunities and continuously improving their products and services. Another important aspect of entrepreneurship is the ability to build and maintain relationships. This includes developing a network of advisors, mentors, and partners who can provide support and guidance as the business grows. Entrepreneurs should also consider joining industry organizations and participating in events and conferences to network and build relationships with other professionals in their field. Balancing work and personal life can also be a challenge for entrepreneurs, as running a business can be demanding and time-consuming. Entrepreneurs must be able to find a healthy balance between work and personal life in order to maintain their physical and mental well-being. This may require setting boundaries, prioritizing self-care, and seeking support from friends, family, and professional resources. Finally, it is important for entrepreneurs to have a growth mindset and a willingness to continuously learn and grow. This includes staying up to date with the latest trends and innovations in their industry, as well as continuously refining their skills and knowledge. Entrepreneurs must also be willing to take calculated risks and embrace failure as an opportunity for learning and growth. While not every new venture will be successful, the experience and lessons learned from failure can help entrepreneurs become better equipped to tackle future challenges and opportunities. In conclusion, entrepreneurship is a complex and demanding process that requires a wide range of skills and knowledge. However, for those who are driven, creative, and committed to success, the rewards can be significant. Entrepreneurs have the opportunity to turn their ideas into reality, solve problems, and make a positive impact on the world. Whether it is by creating new jobs, driving innovation, or improving existing products and services, entrepreneurship has the power to transform communities and improve lives. Thanks for watching.